Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, I was in a mood to do some fun character of a crazy monster, so if you like little fun characters, I think this lesson will be extremely special for you. So, if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.